Alright guys, hopefully you guys watched that first video, introduction video. Let me show you how to use this panel, the panels over here. And I'm just going to show you really how to use the material side and the style side. So let me create a quick little house. Let me pull it up. Alright, let's say I want to color this side right here. What I could do is I could come over here to materials and I could just use the color and color it that way. Okay? Or I could come over here to search, okay, and I could come over here again. I could look at colors. I could use the glass mirrors. Maybe we have like a window. So I'm gonna come over here and make a quick little window. I could go to this glass mirrors right here, color it, and now I can actually see on the inside. Let me orbit. There you go. Also, let's say I want this to be brick. I could come over here and make that a brick color. Okay. You've also got roofing right over here as well. I could come over here and use some type of roofing material. I'm gonna use the orbit tool, and I could use this for roofing. Of course, this doesn't look quite like a roof right now, but if I can make this into a roof, this is a very long house here. By going like this, using the move tool, let's see. The move tool is right here. I can move this up, and that it's going to look more like a roof there. Okay, so you've got other options around here. We can use stone, and like let's say we have a yard. We've got water. If we made it like a pool, and here's some wood. Like let's say I want to create. Maybe I want this outside to look like this. Okay, so really the materials you're going to use a lot of, and you could also use the styles as well. Now when you first started this, yours probably looked like this. Okay, I like mine to have kind of the simple style, which is right here I believe. Alright, but you've got other options on here that you can choose from. It's really just preference here. Okay, so those are the two that I'm really going to kind of concern ourselves with, because I think you're going to use those the most in my class. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.